And fourth one is, if tax remains same, tax collection remains same, and GDP is basically go down, then what happen? Now, as you can observe here, that tax collection is in denominator. If this will increase, then tax ratio will increase. And if GDP is in denominator, right, tax collection or tax in numerator and GDP in denominator, if GDP go up, means this ratio will decrease. Now, if tax is increase, GDP remains same, means tax to GDP ratio will go up. If tax collection is decreased and GDP remains same, this means that your tax to GDP ratio will decrease. So one case. Third case, if tax collection remains same and your GDP go up, that means tax to GDP ratio will go down, as GDP is in denominator. And if tax collection remains same, GDP slows down, then what will happen? Your tax to GDP ratio will increase.